Hey friends, once again welcome back to Letter of the Week series. This week we are focusing on letter A. For those who are watching my video for the very first time, just want to let you know that I am using Montessori method. So according to that, A is the third letter in set 1. Please watch my first video of letter C in this series for you to understand better. I will add in the end screen and also share the link in my description box. So A is for abacus. So this is abacus learning toy which I prepared. In this, a child can learn color matching, counting and pattern matching. So it's like this. If you want to know more how to make this toy, I will share the link in my description box how to make this toy and you can see. A is for aloe vera. So this is a very fun activity where a child can cut with this butter knife and scoop some gel, and I have put it so my daughter can put in this cup. And when your child is doing this, you can talk about the benefits of aloe vera. You can speak a lot of things about that. A is for animals and this is feed the animals. It's very interesting, like my daughter helped me to prepare this. While she was preparing, she was so excited to feed the animals and she said, "Mama, squirrel is hungry," and she wanted to feed the peanuts. You feed hay to horse and some meat and chicken for dinosaur. This is peanut. This is vermicelli. So it can be used as hay. This is thin vermicelli. If you want to see how I have put double tape for the stand, and I just want to show, if you want to know, this is a polythene. This picture has been drawn. This is wool. This I have cut for stomach so that the food, when it goes inside, a child can see through the polythene. And this, like a box, just paste it with the page. This is animal shadow matchup. This I prepared with cardboard sheet and foam, like a stand. If you want, I can share the link. You can buy this from Amazon, these shadow cards you will get. So it's like child can put here. I prepared this with foam sheet. It's easy for child to sort and organize. So like child can match the shadows and so on. A is for apron also. So this I made, it's like a doll size apron she can make. I have put some marks where this is the ribbon I have cut and she can stick it to the glue. And also there's a tiny pocket which she can stick. These are some tape for designing the apron. These are some designs also. Children love all this craft. My daughter really likes it, so I put this for making an apron. So this is, again I made A, and you can see I have put 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this child can put the arrows, like 10 arrows child can place it and stick it. It's like on this foam sheet stickable. And after making this, so child can actually trace it. So this is ant picture. A is for ants. This sheet, this print, I have taken the printout from Google. My daughter was very interested in knowing about different types of ants, so I thought I'll prepare this. It's very good visual discrimination activity. You can see I have placed some velcros so it can be reused again and again, and it's easy for a child to match it. So it's like this. This is aquarium sensory bin. So in this, child can make aquarium. These are some of the things like stones, shells. This is slime. Slime. These are some of the fishes and some trees. This is object box. You can see all the objects which starts from letter A. So when you are telling your child, you can use, instead of A, you can use the sound A, apple, A, almond, A, ambulance, like that, and you can ask your child to repeat the sound after that. A. It's for aluminum foil. This is writing tray. This time I have used masoor dal pulses. So as you can see, I have already done that, and this is for the child to trace it. It's very nice. These are some of the books. As you can see, they all start from letter A. It's about ant and grasshopper, animal homes and animal sounds, astronaut. These are some animals book, action words book. If you need, I will share the link of these books. If you want, you can buy it. This is apple stamping. These are red and green color. These are 2 plates. So you can put apple. When she's about to do, I'll cut the apple and I'll mix red and green color in this. And with the fork, she can take the apple and she can do some stamp. I will share the picture of this so you can see that. This is again coloring book which starts from letter A, aquarium book. It's a very nice book, coloring book. Some animal, copy color animals book. This is some animal sticker book. The colors I have put next to it. And this is very nice. Some aluminium, A for aluminium foil. So this is some aluminium craft. The child can take it, stick these and make a tree.
So this was my letter A setup. I have showed you many activities, so do try based on your child's interest. If you want to see or show your child how to do these activities, then you can see the next video on this segment, which is entirely made for kids. If you have any queries related to this, you can comment below. Would love to answer. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.